This is the largest flock of swifts to be found anywhere in the world. It's the nesting season. Almost every available ledge and crevice is occupied. Disputes for the few vacant sites are frequent. And rivals only too often end up in the river. Wet feathers make it difficult to get back into the air. Keeping still is one way of avoiding detection. The giant carp and catfish that lurk beneath the surface are always hungry. But some birds won't go down without a fight. Its frantic splashing has already attracted more hungry fish. A near miraculous escape.